Hi guys. Hi guys. Hi guys. Welcome, 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 welcome back. Welcome back to the channel. We're back with another sound assortment, or sounds to make you fall asleep. I think I'm gonna title this video. This video is gonna be just random sounds. I picked again some objects from the apartment, a couple of new again, and a couple of older objects. And this video is just made to help you relax. You guys know the drill by now. We are starting the day with a recording, so that means we're also having our morning coffee, our morning coffee. Oh yeah. And yeah, I'm going to the gym after this. I'm gonna edit the video, and the video that I still have to edit for tonight. And then I'm going to the gym, which is why I am wearing this specific outfit. So yeah. Before we get started though, this video also has a special announcement which I briefly want to talk about before we get into these sounds, because I posted, as of recording this video, I posted yesterday, or the day before yesterday, I posted a community post stating that I was working on something behind the scenes, and I'm happy to announce that it is finally finished. So what I'm talking about is I have been looking for a way to monetize the channel, mainly because, to be fair, I have been getting quite a bit of people that are in my DMs on Instagram or on mainly Instagram, and they've been asking if I am willing to start a Patreon or a subscription model on YouTube. And to be fair, you guys, that's not gonna happen. The reason being is because I have always said this, and I'm always gonna say this: the channel has always been a form of therapy for me, and if I were to start a Patreon or a subscription model, I would feel obligated and I would make more content for you guys. Which, don't get me wrong, I like making content, I love this. But at the same time, it would start feeling like work to me, which is the complete opposite of what I'm trying to do here. So, that being said, I did figure a way out to help the channel grow, because I don't want to invest in new stuff, new gear, new triggers, all those kinds of things. And my solution to this problem, I would say, came out to be a web shop. So if you guys didn't know, I am I would say professional, or more hobby. I mean, I do take pictures as a profession, so I guess I'm a professional photographer. So I am a professional photographer, and I love taking pictures during my travels, and I do so. And I have a couple of these hanging in my apartment, and I have to say they look very, very nice. So what I decided to do is I decided to make a collection of 8 pictures, and I put them on a web shop for you guys to be able to purchase them as decoration for your own place. So the web shop is called Yume Supply. Yume, 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 there is zero obligation, obviously, to buy anything. This webshop fully supports the channel, and yeah, this is just a way for me to also give back to you guys in a sense. I've been getting a couple of messages from people literally wanting to just send me money as donations, but I always feel like I should give something back in return, so that's why I made the web shop. The way that I'm gonna handle this web shop as well is I'm gonna have limited edition prints. So this collection, for example, will be up for the upcoming 8 weeks, and then it will be gone forever. So if you guys want any of those prints, I would suggest getting them now, because in about 8 weeks from now they're gonna be gone forever. But yeah, I just wanted to announce that quickly, and I'm probably gonna have a quick announcement about it in every single video from now on for the foreseeable future, to make sure people know about it. But that is it for the small announcement. So let's just get started with the assortment, and let's get started with some triggers. Is a case for one of my ND filters from KNF Concept, and these filters are very good. I'm using one as of speaking actually, because it is very bright outside. So yeah. supplements that I take. I'm not the biggest fan of taking many supplements, but this is omega-3s. So this is fish oil, and the reason I take this is simply because I do not eat. I don't really eat fish. I mean, it's not that I don't like it, it's just that I don't prefer it over normal red meat, because I love red meat. So I tend to have a very big shortage overall on omega-3s, which is why I am taking this as a daily supplement. Speaking of, I'm gonna be taking one right now, because I haven't taken one yet. If I can get one specifically out. Okay. Let's just use the lid as some sound. Another thing, because it is Sunday the 14th of July, which means that tonight is gonna be the finals of the Euro Cup in football. And by the time of this video being up, the finals are already gonna be over. So I'm gonna make a quick prediction, and I want you guys to leave a like if my prediction is right. I am pretty hopeful, I would say, that Spain is gonna win. I don't know, I like England as well, so but I do feel like I want Spain to win. So my guess is gonna be that the match is gonna end with, I think Spain is gonna win 3-2. So 3 for Spain and 2 for England. That is my prediction. That is my prediction. My prediction. Okay, let's go to the next object. We're gonna have two triggers at the same time. Gonna have be tapping on the glowy thingy, I don't know what the name is, and some hand flutters, finger flutters. I am so not coordinated with my left hand, it's insane. It's funny. this. It's a body cream from Rituals. I'm telling you guys, Rituals is such a good brand. I use them all around the house for house sprays. I use them for candles. I use them for shower gel, body oil, like body gel or body lotion. Like, it smells so good. It smells very, I don't know, like it smells very different. I feel like the most soaps. And yeah, this is no different, so let's try to use this moisturizer on our hands for some nice moisturized hand sound. I'm gonna try to remove my ring quickly if I can. Okay. Okay. It feels very good. It feels very good and it smells amazing. This body lotion smells like, I mean, it says bamboo and cypress. Yeah, cypress. But it smells very, 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 very very, 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 very good. Okay, you guys. That is gonna be it for me for today. Yeah, that's gonna be it for me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys got some relaxing tingles from this video, and I will see you guys in the next video.